All right. So, God, I thank you. The next part is executing the blueprint. Follow the flow of the plan that God gives you. Follow his instructions. Please note that I'm not saying that executing your plan that God gives you will give you immediate results. I'm not saying that there will be results overnight. In fact, one of the first things it does when you build an exit, right, and you're executing the blueprint for this exit, is that it causes a temporary traffic jam in other people's lives. It causes a jam in their lives. You rearranging your life to have a permanent exit in the area will cause other people in your life to be inconvenienced. They will not appreciate the sudden disruption and interruption of their lives. All right? Do y'all hear me? You changing for the better, right? You saving money and not going out to dinner. You not going on the girls' trip of the year so you can make amends with your husband and build relationships and things of that nature. Everyone is not going to be excited about you building an exit. It's just like the belt. It's a traffic jam, but now you're creating more of a jam, seemingly, because you're building an exit. So you're disrupting the flow. You're disrupting the flow of other people now, right? Because they were used to this traffic jam in your life. But now you want to add another one so that you can exit. While you're executing the plan, it may still seem like you're stuck. But you gotta finish executing the blueprint. It may still seem like you're stuck. People may still talk about you. People may say you still need more money. You still don't have your relationship right with your husband. You still going from job to job. But they don't realize that you are building an exit. Your exit, may slow other people down, but you got to get out. You have to get out. And once you get out permanently, the flow will begin again. The flow, it will be easy for those who are behind you. Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to execute the blueprint. Once you have achieved this goal, right? Once you're out, it benefits everybody behind you. Once you're delivered from low self-esteem, it helps your daughters. Once you're delivered from poverty, it helps your generation to generation to generation. Now you can leave a legacy for your children. Once you get out of being disloyal, people can trust you again. And that helps your life. Lastly, what we're all here for, help a sister up. You have to find community. You have to find community. As women, sometimes we shy away from other women and we talk about other women who have what we need. You ever notice that? That the enemy will help you not like a person, but what you don't like about them is exactly what you are lacking in your life. So in essence, you need them. So you have to find community. In business, we call it masterminds, right? So they have masterminds. People come in and sometimes they pay to be a part. Sometimes you got to pay to grow, right? You pay to be a part of this mastermind. So everyone is in business, different businesses. So we're all women, right? And so we can all come together. And so what I love about masterminds is that everyone is in business, but not in the same business. And so being that you're not in the same business, you may not know what I know. You may not know what this person knows. So where you're strong and an expert in this area, maybe of book publishing, because that's what I do, right? But I may not be strong in the area of marketing. So we come together in the mastermind. I help you, you help me. It's time for us to help one another up. Help build another one's confidence, and not in the spirit of competition, but in the spirit of collaboration. Do you follow me? People don't realize in order to build a permanent exit, right? And permanent change, you have to help someone else build. Think about that. You have to help someone else build. Let's look at Esther, right? Esther was the one who had the ear of the king. But She did not do that by herself. She called her girls in to fast with her so that when she presented herself before the king, she would be received with favor, right? And so instead of pulling apart, instead of tearing us down, let's come together and mastermind. Let's come together and help build your sister's confidence, not talk about her. Help her build her confidence. You help build her confidence while she helps build your money. You help build her money while she helps build your love life. Woo! God, I thank you. It's time to collaborate with each other and help each other build exits. Do you know how many departments have to come together to make an exit on a highway like the Belt? Departments in New York City, transportation, Department of Transportation, even the people in the neighborhood have to agree for this exit to be done. They have to be consulted because it affects everyone in the area. So why are we afraid? The Bible says two are better than one. Why are we afraid to help one another? Community is important when you're building an exit out of a situation. God, I thank you. And you have to be able to hear one another in the spirit of love and honesty and receive. If there is someone who is doing better in the area where you need permanent deliverance, hear them. Hear them. God, I thank you. Remember, and I'm closing, you don't have to live in a traffic jam. Sure, every once in a while there'll be a delay and you may have to take a detour or pivot in life. But you were not made to just stay stuck. You were not made to just stay stuck and to be in a consistent struggle in that area of your life. Build an exit. Even if God doesn't remove the thorn, right? That's what came to me just now. Even if he doesn't remove the thorn, there's an exit to deal with that thorn. Because somebody's going to say, well, God gave him a thorn and he didn't remove it, so he always had that in his life. But was he mad about it? Was he mad about that thorn? Or did he build an exit to live with it and to be content and to still have joy and to still have peace? Did that thorn stop him from doing the will of God? Think about that. I love you. I gotta run. I pray this has blessed your life. Build and exit. God bless you.